Bright and lasting, equipped with 30 crazy bright LEDs, this compact lantern cuts through 360 degrees of darkness on the stormiest, dimmest nights. Easily lights up the entire tent or room. Compact and lightweight, collapsible design that reduces or increases the light as you collapse or expand the lantern. When collapsed, it's as small as your phone. Easily fits in your backpack or emergency kit. Waterproof, constructed with military-grade materials, your lantern is able to survive a 10-foot drop and being temporarily submerged underwater. Original patented version, we handcraft each lantern with the strict quality control to give you the best gear you deserve. Do not equip yourself with inferior lanterns. Lifetime warranty, you can rest in knowing that this camping lantern is of utmost quality. Warranted for life, it is covered against loss, theft, and defects in materials and workmanship for as long as you own the product. CE, RoW HS/EMC certified. Top reviews from the United States. Bright, bright, bright. This thing is bright. Like crazy super bright. Once you pop the sucker open, it's like staring into the sun in the middle of night. They aren't fooling around when they say this is a bright lantern. The only complaint that I have about it is that when you open it, that's the one setting you get. Bright is the sun or complete darkness. There's no in between. You can close it a little to dampen the brightness a little, but it's really meant to light up the world, not just your campsite. I've had mine for a year plus and still have yet to change out the batteries. I go camping often during the summer, and this is a terrific lantern I bring along to light up my site. And everyone else's site within 10 miles. Seriously, this is a bright lantern. It's awesome. I plan on using it again. Just as soon as my eyesight comes back from the last time I used it.